you're experiencing issues with League of Legends getting stuck during an update, follow these steps to resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Restart the client. Close the League of Legends client completely and then reopen it. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches that cause the update to hang. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Disconnect and reconnect to your network, or try using a wired connection if you're on Wi-Fi to improve stability. Step 3. Run as administrator. Right-click on the League of Legends shortcut and select Run as Administrator. This can help bypass any permission issues that may be preventing the update from completing. Step 4. Repair the game. Open the League of Legends client, go to the Settings menu, and select the Repair option. This will scan for and fix any corrupted files that could be causing the update to stall. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the previous steps do not work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling League of Legends. This will ensure you have the latest version and can resolve any persistent issues. Following these steps should help you fix the update issue quickly. If problems persist, consider reaching out to League of Legends support for further assistance.